Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Dying Light smoothly on Intel UHD 620. Let's begin. So what you're going to do first is you're going to open up Device Manager, and then you're going to look for something which says Display Adapters. So once you find your Intel UHD graphics, you are going to right click on it and then select Update Driver. Then you're going to have two options. It says here, how do you want to search for drivers? You can either search for it automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So if you want to do it manually, you are going to select browse my computer for drivers. But if you want it to be automatically done, then you're going to search automatically for drivers. So you're going to select the first option. Now it is important that you get the latest drivers for your graphics card because one, if you still have the old graphics card drivers, then most games will not run properly, especially Dying Light. So by updating your graphics card drivers such as UHD graphics, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to run more games than usual, and you're going to have a steady FPS based on the requirements of that game. Now, the other option would be to go to your config files for Dying Light. And then once you've opened up the config files, you are going to scroll down. And then you're going to look for something which says texture quality, and you are going to set it to low. So you're going to take out high, and you're going to type in low. Then shadows quality, you're going to have a specific number here, but what you're going to do is you're going to remove that number and then set it to 0. Then grass quality, then frame rates, you're also going to set those to 0. Then reflex, you're going to set that to 0 as well. And then motion blur, you are going to set that to 0. Then glow glare, you're going to set that to 0. Then glow streaks, lens flare, then SSS quality, you're going to set all of those things to 0. Now, where it says motion blur quality, you are also going to set that to low. So it might be set on high or medium, so you're going to remove that and then put it on low. And then if you want to make some changes so that you can make it run smoother, then you can also implement these other modifications over here. So you can just set everything to 0 there. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and seeing you in the next one.